apologize in advance if you hear any thunder and stuff like that or any loud noises. We have a storm system blowing through, and I've been trying to avoid it, but there's all kinds of storm clusters coming through, so we may have some lightning and thunder. But that's beside the point. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna look at the steel wheel, the real steel Luna. That's twice I've done that. We're gonna look at this steel. We're gonna look at the real steel Luna. So since I've screwed it up so many times, you guys have seen that, please stand by. Here comes a little bit of music. Have internet right now. I think if I read it right, something got struck by lightning. Internet is out in my area, power is out in part of the area, so who knows, but I just don't have internet right now, so I'll just put a link to a channel down below. So this is the real steel Luna. I've called it the steel wheel Luna like 12 times and had to edit it. This is a fun little light knife. We're gonna do some first impressions. I do believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that this is either an add-on thumb stud or an aftermarket thumb stud, something that you can purchase. So because it's removable. So, but with that being all aside, let's take a look at this from above. All right, guys, let's take a look at this. No specs, no weights, no anything. I'm just going to tell you, this is an incredibly light knife. So this is the real steel Luna. And like I think I said in the intro, if I remember right, this looks as though it might be a removable thumb stud. Nice looking hardware. This thing is super light and it is super comfortable. I like where that thumb stud's at. It acts like a thumb ramp or a thumb stop, so you're not gonna, it'd be slippery. You can get up. It keeps it light. It just feels more secure. Nice thin blade. What steel is this? I haven't looked yet. I believe that's N690. Yeah, N690. Nice choice for a budget knife and something like this. It's a nice small. Man, I just can't get over how light that is. Looks like, I haven't looked at it. Looks like titanium, all titanium construction, titanium's handle construction and hardware because of the anodizing. I would say it's all titanium. I don't see a steel lock bar insert in this, and I can't tell yet. I haven't had it apart. I haven't looked anything up on this. Please don't ruin it for me. I haven't looked up price or anything. So don't put that in the comment section. I haven't looked to see what it runs on or anything like that. This is just literally out of the box and into the pocket. It carries nice, even though that pocket clip's small. It's got a good bit of tension here. Pull my Grazioso out of my pocket and let's see. I'm wearing track pants right now because it's actually morning. Yeah. And guys, with the new lighting, if you hear how quiet it is, I am able to film the tabletop versions of these with the garage door closed and plenty of light. I don't have to rely on ambient light because I put a light, oopsie, up there above me, and put a diffuser on it. So yeah, this is a fun little knife. I like it. It is not. So this is kind of like one of those things where it's out of the scope of what I usually have is flippers and fast knives and things like that, that just bang and slam open. You can thumb flip this, but this thing is just perfect. Little slow roller for a work purpose. Nice and light. Blade shape is great. Jared obviously sharpened this. It has got a screaming sharp edge on it. That's not a factory edge. I'm 100% sure that is not a factory edge. That's something that Jared did. And Jared's edges are good. They're good. I mean, are they great like mine? Nah, probably not, but I'm just kidding, Jared. You do a good job. So I'm going to carry this for a few days. Today, I don't know what day you guys are going to see this, but today is Monday, and I am getting ready to go to Blade Show West, so I don't know when I'm going to actually be carrying this and what I'm actually going to be doing. So I'm not sure when this content's going to go up. I think this is probably going to be like Thursday of this week because I have stuff filmed all the way to Wednesday, and I think if I remember right, I filmed Fridays yesterday no, I'm sorry, today is Tuesday. Yesterday I filmed the Friday video, which was the 5 fast. Today's Tuesday. So today's Tuesday. I lose track of days. I never know what day of the week it is. So yeah, I like this. We'll see how it carries. This is not like a big heavy duty, heavy use knife. This is just a small, nice utility work knife, nice blade shape, comfortable in hand. We'll see how this plays out. I'm just going to give you a quick overall look at it here on the size. It's just a little bit more than 6.5, like maybe 6 and almost 6 3/4. But you know, this mat is subjective. There's some parallax. Yeah, it's about 6 3/4 overall. So blade on it is just a little just from pivot is about 3 inches. So yeah, nice little knife. So yeah, you're looking at a comfortable little carry. It is super light, and I like the way the handles fit. A lot of times I don't like knives that don't have like a thumb ramp or something, or a finger choil or something, because it kind of feels like I'm going to come forward. But the way this handle is shaped, it does not really feel like that. So I think I'm going to enjoy carrying this. But all right, guys, let's turn this back around and do some final thoughts and say goodbye. Guys, that was the Real Steel Luna. I have to read it every time, or I'm going to call it Steel Will every time. I think it's because I like that Steel Will Gecko so much, and I do like this. This reminds me a lot of a tiny little knife that I had. I believe it was a Gerber. Now, this is nicer, but I had a Gerber that I carried for a lot of years that was real similar in blade shape and size to this and shape. But this is nice, super light. I had it in my, like I said, I had it in my pocket this morning. So, but you guys already saw that. So let's go ahead and say goodbye. And I screwed up this outro completely. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. But please try to tell me why. I can't change content if I don't know what you don't like. You guys are getting a lot of like the little cutscenes today. I can't change the content if I don't know what you don't like. If you want to support the channel, there's multiple ways to do it. Sometimes it's just as easy as sharing it with people you think would like the content. There are ways that you can support the channel financially. I have the membership link down below that gets you in on exclusive content, exclusive giveaways, early access to videos, and it's all listed by tier. Baseline and premium members get in on the giveaways. The premium tier gets extra video content, exclusive videos, things like that. So if you want to support the channel other ways, I have my merchandise store where you can get shirts and sweatshirts, and I think the sweatshirts are coming on Ember Shirt Co. And there's all kinds of other stuff on Ember Shirt Co. So I have a link to both of those, and I have a coupon code that saves you 10% at checkout at either my merch store or the Ember Shirt Co. main store, and that is CrazySharp, all one word, capital C, capital S, CrazySharp, all one word. And then I have affiliate links and stuff down below. If there's anything that you've seen me use, tools, sharpening stones, things like that, I've kind of tried to duplicate. I have a list of beginner stones and more advanced stones at the very bottom of the thing. I have a whole list of tools, and then I have a list of recommended EDC knives, all available on Amazon with a link. And anything you purchase, I get credit for, even if it's not the item that you clicked on the link. So guys, that's about it. I love you all. Take care of yourselves. Be good to each other. Keep it clean in the comments section. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And I will see you in the next video.